we are going out for street shopping. Guys, day 6. Our flight got delayed. We were supposed to fly back today, but 15 hours delay है, तो कल की flight है. We are going out for street shopping. Guys, street market of Dubai देख लो. यहाँ पे सोवेनियर्स मिलते हैं, स्वीट्स मिलती हैं. यहाँ पे कैमल मिल्क से बनी चॉकलेट मिलती है डेट्स की, जो कि बहुत ही टेस्टी है. आई हैव बॉट 2 पैकेट्स. और क्या मिलता है यहाँ पे? वेब्स कपड़े मिलते हैं, ज्वेलरी, बैग्स, स्पाइसेस. Too hot today. Streets of Dubai.
बहुत सस्ता है. इससे हम पहले शूज से सनग्लासेस
Time to have a juice, guys. बहुत गर्मी है. Sugar cane juice.
इंडिया में 40 रुपये मिलता है, 500 रुपये मिलता है.
200 रुपये का जूस. मनहर को आइसी चिल्ड चीज़ें पसंद है, सो
कोई नहीं.
हाँ आप पियो.
ये देखो, पूरा बैग लेके जा रही है स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग की, और यहाँ मेरे हाथ में भी पकड़ाया हुआ है.
One more good news. We went for a COVID test yesterday and it's negative again. So we are very happy about it.
Yeah.
We'll be flying back tomorrow. Our flight has been delayed by more than 15 hours. That test done over here is very expensive. It's not like India where you can get it done for 800 rupees. It's like 200 dirhams, which is around 4,000.
4,000 rupees for one person.
Yeah.
One person. And if you search, you can find it for 150 also.
Evening snacks, some pasta with bacon, gin and tonic, yeah. Nachos with hummus, quinoa salad with salmon and salsa and some, what do you call this? Guacamole. Another plate of chips and guacamole. And that's gin and tonic for Simran. Simran, you're in the vlog. She complains that she is not seen
Yeah.
in the vlogs as compared to me. What are your comments, guys?
Guys, last night in Dubai in 2021, and our shopping is still not over. But
Manhar
not
is shopping
ours.
supplements.
Manhar's shopping is still not over. And what time is it right now in Dubai?
10:30.
10:30 p.m. and we are still out. Unlimited energy हमारे में. Vacation में unlimited energy आ जाती है. This is Dera Market. Sitting at Wimpy's. थोड़ी पेट पूजा, एनर्जी चाहिए घूमने के लिए. ऑर्डर्ड एन आइसक्रीम संडे. यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा लोग आते हैं रात को. यहाँ बाहर बैठते हैं एंड दे ईट. काफ़ी हैपनिंग स्ट्रीट है ये. लाइक व्हाट टाइम इज इट? व्हाट टाइम इज इट? 11. एंड लुक एट दिस स्ट्रीट, सो बिजी. लड़कियाँ भी हैं बाहर, लड़के भी हैं. इट्स ऑल कूल. आई लाइक इट.
के विम्पी, सिमरन के विम्पी का स्पेशल संडे. वाओ. Last day, guys, calls for a lavish breakfast. Omelette wrapped with bacon, some fancy yogurt, sausages, bacon and veggies, dry fruit prunes and apricots, croissants and bread, fruit platter, assorted juices, greens with some ham and hummus and pickle, with feta also, and some pancakes and waffles. Yeah.
Last day in Dubai, going back. We are at the Dubai airport. This is the line for SpiceJet going to Delhi. आधा घंटा तो हो ही गया हमें खड़े हुए हुए.
Guys, it took us 1.5 hours. We forgot to upload the results of our RT-PCR on Air Suvidha, so that's a must also. This is the view of the Dubai airport. We are going towards the lounge. We have very less time remaining, so let's see what happens. And that's Simran's look for the day. Eating again. Wow.
पहले 19 आवर्स का डिले हुआ था जिसके लिए हमें एक दिन और होटल में रुकना पड़ा. Now after we came here there was a delay for another hour, so we have been sitting 1.5 hours, sorry. So we have been just sitting and waiting.
Guys, we finally boarded the flight. I'm dead tired. I'm never gonna travel by SpiceJet again. और सिमरन कितनी बार बिग मैक खाओगे यार. Arrived in Delhi, guys, and another RT-PCR test has to be done here. I will strictly advise everyone from traveling until this COVID pandemic is over.
Guys, finally reached Delhi. Got the COVID test done. इस ट्रिप पे 4 बार टेस्ट कराए हैं. माउथ स्वॉब, नोज स्वॉब. अब और कराने का मन नहीं है. Anything you want to say?
Don't travel international during these times.
Yeah, this test was only for international passengers. Anyway, guys,
So
Delhi में
let me repeat. While leaving Delhi, you need a RT-PCR report negative. Then in Dubai, your test will be done again. Coming back from Dubai, you will have to be tested again in Dubai, and now on the Delhi airport also again.
yeah, and you have to pay for
All these tests.
tests. Just the Dubai airport test was free. Other test you have to pay. Guys, Delhi में cases बहुत बढ़ गए हैं. Take care of yourself. We are also gonna take care of ourselves. And please like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. See you.